We're getting some humongous price cuts, guys, for some of these Florida houses. Like this house right here that people are talking about. Originally listed for a little over $500,000. Now it's below 300 grand. Almost a 50% price cut. It's down to 2015 levels on Zillow. Why are there big price cuts in Florida? You probably have seen those enormous hurricanes. Two massive hurricanes that absolutely decimated places like St. Petersburg and several other coastal cities. If you look at this house, it's a very good Florida house. And look at the prices. Look at that price drop that people are noticing. And it's not just one house, but several houses are doing this. And we're seeing a lot of these homes having their prices cut. Because believe it or not, Florida is now underwater. Look at all of these expensive properties. These properties are easily $500,000, $1 million, $1.5 million houses. And this is what it looks like. You know, there's a lot of Airbnb rentals in places like Panama City. I went there. I rented an Airbnb. Those Airbnb homes are like $1 to $1.5 million a piece. But now, they're probably worth a lot less. They'll probably sell it for like $500,000 off. And it's very, very common. This is drone footage of Shore Acres neighborhood. Homes in this neighborhood range from 300 grand to $5 million. Reports from neighbors revealed 0 houses were spared, and even 1 home caught on fire. You know what really sucks about this is insurance is probably not going to pay that much. A lot of people are saying that insurance have barely paid them anything. Now, a few of the homes, their backyards kind of got spared, but most homes are absolutely decimated. Millions of dollars worth of damages. You could even see the skyline in the far, far area. This is what it looks like. $1 million homes basically in the water. People kayaking to get to places. And the mold and especially the humidity of Florida and how hot it is, a lot of these houses are going to be rotting because a lot of it's made from wood. So there you go. It looks like this. This is a drone footage. Absolutely got decimated. And Florida's and some of the most expensive places are being absolutely destroyed. Look at this house, for example. It just got flattened. Like this is someone's pool. These are all very expensive houses. Many houses, like I said, are rented out to Airbnbs. Florida's tourism market is very good. Insurance companies originally priced in that these massive catastrophic events will only happen once every 100 years. But now, since we got some climate issues, whatever going on, insurance companies are saying that these events are happening once every 20 or 30 years. And I don't think a lot of people want to go to Florida anymore. If you could afford these houses, sure. These houses are very cheap. But can you afford the insurance premiums? I don't think so. So many of these powerful storms have left places like these tourism areas and ruins. Homes reduced to bare slabs. And because many homeowners are not getting a lot of money to rebuild their homes, and because the damage is so big, there's not even enough construction companies. We're seeing a lot of these places being sold for lot value. And drone footage is just capturing the devastation in a lot of these nice places. These are all beautiful homes. People spent years building up their wealth to buy these homes. And now these homes are destroyed. And when you look into the number of homes for sale in Florida, it's just skyrocketing. People are saying that this is going to be the bigger crash than 1929 crash. In fact, even before the hurricane, many Airbnb rentals were already going foreclosure because there's not that many people getting Airbnbs. And now, after this massive wave of storms, Airbnb properties in Panama City, many of them are destroyed. Places in St. Petersburg are destroyed. And a lot of these Florida homes, like I said, are selling for pennies on the dollar. Florida built about 77,000 new properties, not old, brand new properties in high-risk flood areas since 2019. And this is putting the real estate industry and the banks that finance it on a collision course with insurers. Now insurance companies, banks, and also landlords are in a massive lawsuit. I think the winners out of this are going to be the lawyers. Homeowners are not happy because insurance companies are not paying them enough. Insurance companies are arguing that they don't even have that much money to pay everyone. The Florida devastation is massive. I mean, even with homes that are still fully intact, these homes still need a ton of repairs because they're literally flooded. And that's what we're seeing here. Let's see what happens next.